Foundry, happy to showcase this Fulgor Milano Sofia range. You're going to notice this 6061 aircraft aluminum control panel with 304 stainless steel. The fit and finish on this unit is seamless. With this digital interface, you can program the temperature you most commonly use for settings such as bake, broil, roast, or convection. In addition to these sleek lines, Fulgor Milano has a proprietary power management system that's going to allow this 48-inch induction range and electric oven to run on a 50 amp service when many of their competitors would require 75 amps. Power management system can vary depending on the unit you're working with. On this 48-inch model, we see that Fulgor can borrow power levels from the rear burners in order to keep the oven and the cooktop fully operational and under a 50 amp draw. Within the oven chamber, you can fit this 21 by 15 inch baking pan, and you can expect to get one glide out shelf alongside twin fans, which give you true European convection, as this involves driving the air back to a superheated element before circulating it back into the oven chamber. As a special perk from Fulgor Milano, you can send them your signature online and they will custom make a badge with your name on it. Visit kitchenfoundry.com for a selection of Fulgor Milano and give us a call with any questions you might have. 949-275-4496. Click the link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. It'll take you back to our website.